So magandang araw mga traders ng NBA cards. So, kumusta? Bubunot na tayo ng ating ika-18 mystery pack, no? So, simulan na natin. Our 18 pack sa number 18. Timing naman sa parehong-pareho. 18 pack. So, kumusta kaya ang 18 pack natin? Sino kaya ang mabubunot? Ano kayang mga teams? Okay. Okay. Parang ang dami atang ano. Oh, special pack pala to. All in sleeves. Okay. All in sleeves. So, our first card is from the Pelicans, Jackson Hayes of the New Orleans Pelicans. Bago pa to. Bagong-bago pa. So, a lot of years to play. Huwag lang ma-injured, no? Oh. From the Milwaukee Bucks. Center ng Milwaukee Bucks. Brook Lopez. It's a holo, no? Holo. Oh, nice. Oh, ano ba tong ano? Illusions, Panini Illusions na si Troy Brown Jr. of the Washington Wizards. Tempo Oh, parang gold parallel, no? From the New York Knicks, Frank Ntilikina. Ito yung, I think, top 10 to dati na top 10 to sa draft Hindi talaga to nakapagpakita ng prowess. From the Charlotte Hornets, Cody Zeller. Parang bronze. Oh. Ito yung parang from Don Rose, Panini Don Rose na na blue parallel, no? Blue. Devonte Graham of the New Orleans Pelicans. See? Galing, no? Ganda ng card, ha? Holo blue. Ito naman, silver parallel to ng NBA hoops. Malik Beasley. Now playing for the Detroit Pistons. A guard and a stunt defender for the Memphis Grizzlies, Grayson Allen. Ang gaganda talaga ng yung variety ng Panini. Ito, Panini Mosaic Kanina, di ba? Panini Illusion. Tapos meron din tayo kaninang nakuha na na Panini Illusion, and I think yung isa kanina, Panini Don Rose, no? Yes, Panini Don Rose. Tapos may Prism tayo. Mga holo cards. gold parallel ni Kevon Looney, who's still a reliable off the bench player ngayon ng Golden State Warriors. And a silver parallel now playing, I think nasa Israel to, playing for Israel team, si Patrick Beverly, really a big time defender. Medyo may konting init lang ng ulo. So that's our 10. So ito pala 10 cards lang, pero all in sleeve card siya. Galing, no? Para siyang special cards in sleeves. So comment guys kung ano yung nagustuhan nyo sa card na to ngayon, no? If it happens to have your gut feel like, please comment below. And don't forget to please like and share and follow my channel. Okay guys, God bless. Ciao everyone. Let's nick out.